Oh, something different.
1 Samuel chapter 16 verses 10 and 11. And Jesse made 7 of his sons pass before Samuel. And Samuel said to Jesse, "The Lord has not chosen these." Then Samuel said to Jesse, "Are all your sons here?" And he said, "There remains yet the youngest, but behold, he is keeping the sheep." And Samuel said to Jesse, "Send and get him, for we will not sit down till he comes here." Welcome back to something different. You know, I feel very inclined to tell you, the party will not start without you. Yes, notice, the Lord sent Samuel to anoint someone king, one of Jesse's sons. He goes to Jesse, he lets Jesse know what was God's plan. Jesse calls all his sons. Well, not quite all. He called 7 of his sons, but chose not to call David the youngest. And he had them pass before Samuel. When Samuel saw the first one, he said, "This must be God's choice," because his stature was so great. He looked a lot like Saul, the former king, or the current king at the time, looked. But God says, "No, I do not choose according to outward appearance. I choose according to the heart." And so Jesse, with all pride and joy I can imagine, allowed each of his sons to pass before Samuel. But alas, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and in each case, no. Samuel says, "Do you have another son?" Because he was sure the Lord had said one of Jesse's sons. Jesse said, "Yes, I have one, the youngest, but he is with the sheep in the pasture." And Samuel says, "Send for him. We will not sit down until he gets here." I want to encourage you this morning. What God has for you is for you. And no one will be able to block it. It doesn't matter who believes in you. It doesn't matter who thinks you can do it or can't do it. It doesn't matter whom is trying to short circuit the plan and go around you and leave you on the outside. Listen, the party will not start without you. They can go ahead and run ahead of you and do all they wish to do. They can politic, they can seek to influence, they can seek to buy their way. But God said, that blessing that I have earmarked for you, only you shall receive it. Do not worry about those who are ahead of you. They will have to wait on you, because in due season you shall reap if you faint not. Fear not, the party will not start without you. Let's talk about that today. Let's talk about how it is that God has moved in your life. How it is that God showed up when others thought they had circumvented you. Let's talk about the blessings that you're still waiting on. Like, share, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to hit that notification bell. And for more, join us at 9 a.m. on Sunday mornings at 10 Union Square, Crossroads. If you can't be there in person, join us virtually via Facebook Live.